Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you all have seen from the title, somebody got lemonade braids, but y'all, I did not sit in a salon chair for hours. I got it from CitiWorld. This is the packaging that it came in. However, it was a little interesting trying to get into it. I think the zipper broke somehow, but I love how it was packaged if the zipper worked. This is the Enor Full Lace 2 unit. It does come with a hanger, and y'all, I got mine in waist length. This unit is designed so well, and I absolutely love it. Now, they do have different options for the accessories that you can use in order to secure it on. I selected the elastic band, but they do offer combs in the back. This is a custom color, but they do have a slew of different colors that you can choose from, like literally over 10 colors. This is what it looks like up close. It is braided at the start, and then the ends are actually twisted, as you can see. It looks so phenomenal, and I've never actually seen it done this way, where you have the braided start and then the twisted on the end, which actually looks like Senegalese. It also has baby hair, but they're not baby hair on the side, which is a good feature. I do like that. And it is layered, and in the back, you can see it's full lace. So well constructed. Now, I was hoping that I'd be able to work with my low ponytail that I have my hair in and not have to use a wig cap. So I was testing that out, and it worked, guys. I was so happy about that. So I just slid the unit on. And while I am a right side part girl, this unit actually came as a left side part. I initially tried putting it on, trying to work it so that it would actually be positioned on the right and work for me, but yeah, that was an epic fail. Now, I did decide to pull it behind my ear and just kind of test it out. I even secured it on, but I had to take it off later, and you'll see that in a moment. But I did want to cut down the baby hair first because they are a bit long. I selected the sparse baby hair, so this is what it's going to look like. So I'm just going to use my eyebrow razor, trim those down, and you want to trim them down as short as you can. That's going to give the most realistic look. I probably could have did them a little shorter, but this is where I had them. I positioned it so that it was actually properly positioned where the ear tabs aligned, and that's going to help you to really figure out how it's supposed to be positioned. And it also has these cute accessories, as you all can see. So I slid it back, and I began working with my staple adhesive, the Got2b glue in the yellow bottle. I'm just placing that on the right side where I'm going to place the unit down. I'm sorry, I meant the left side. I actually wish that they had this unit with a right part option. That would be awesome, but they don't. But it actually still looked good on me on the left side. So right now I'm just using the blow dryer on the cool setting just to dry it until it gets tacky, and then I'm gonna pull it forward and begin securing it down. Now, during this stage in the process, you wanna make sure that it's aligned properly. So that's just what I'm doing currently, and making sure that I didn't get any of the baby hair caught up in the Got2b glue too much. And then I'm just using the back of my red toe comb to just press in, and then just maneuvering the elastic band in the back to make sure I have the added security that's necessary. Now that the unit is secured on my head, I'm just going to work on laying down my baby hair, and I did realize I did need to cut the area in the front a little more and also tweeze it. And you guys customize the baby hair as much as you want. I believe if you were to actually cut back the lace, you could probably wear it without the baby hair if you want it, but I believe they have that option on the website. So you all, if you don't like the baby hair, then opt out of baby hair. So I'm just slicking these down, cutting it down some more as I feel necessary, and then I'm using a mousse to actually use that in order to lay the baby hair down the way that I want. I really don't like gel being used on my baby hair. So after this process and everything's looking great, I do want to actually flatten out the braids in the front. Because of how it was packaged, it did look like it was laying a little weird. So I'm just placing some mousse on the braids just to flatten it out, and I'm doing it on the top of the braids, and you'll see me in a moment also do it on the ends because they were really crinkly based on how they were packaged. You could also put it in boiling water to straighten out the braids if you desire, but I just use the mousse just to help to straighten it out just for the time being. But dip it in a boiling pot of water, and that's really going to help as well. So this is how long the braids are. Guys, these braids actually come in different options. You can get it in a bob, you can get it in shoulder length, you can get it in bra strap length. I got mine in waist length, which is so beautiful, y'all. It comes past my tail. Y'all, I've never had braids or just hair in general this long, but I think it's so cute. So now we're gonna set everything using a satin scarf. So I'm just gonna wrap that around. I'm gonna leave that setting for about maybe 5-10 minutes, and then I'm gonna remove it, and you guys are gonna see the finished results. I hope that you all enjoyed this video. Be sure to check the description box for the link to this unit, and all the specifications will be provided below. I'm going to give you all a full spin so that you all can see what it looks like. Keep in mind, I did have my hair at a low bun, but it would look better if you actually cornrowed or flattened out your hair a little better so you don't have the bulk in the back. I hope that you all love this video. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Once again, I love you all, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.
Why so many tears? You've been there for me, I've been there for you. Look in the mirror and think this through. Something as perfect and pretty as you, I never could leave, you gotta believe. But you think my heart's not there.